Happy New Year, YouTube! This is Choi Boy. Because it's the new year, we are making dumplings. And I just wanted to share that with you guys so that you know how to make dumplings. You can also make dumplings with your own family and have some fun together, have some quality time, and have some good dumpling. And you know, it's just a really good opportunity for you to bond each other as a family. So I just want you to take this opportunity as a good opportunity to learn something new and make something new as a family. Our family is going to show you how to make dumpling and hope you find it interesting, and let me know how it all goes. And if you have any different recipes or ingredients that you use, please let me know so I can try that as well. Alright, let's jump into it.
Yeah.
Once we slightly cut them, we're gonna mix it with pork.
And then you can put some green onion as well. And you
Alright.
can add some sesame oil, some salt, chicken stock, however you want to make it. But basically you chop everything very finely.
Wait, what?
I'm
What-
adding
what is
some cooking wine, rice wine, some soy sauce, some sesame oil.
Sesame oil.
That's what makes it smell good.
Oh, it makes smells good. Okay. We have pork, cabbage, green onion,
but not dumpling.
and we have the product.
Finish? No.
All right, let's take a look at it.
没有，他在欺负 Jerry probably deserves it.
Okay, first you take the dumpling wrapper like that, and then you're gonna take the mixed one and put it inside. Put it inside like that.
Skin sounds
Put it halfway of the water
Put water. Why do you put water?
so they can stick together.
Oh, okay. You put water so they can stick together. Ooh, look at that. Wow, it's like a science.
It's actually supposed to look like money.
Is that pretty?
Ta-da! That's how you make it. Oh, that's pretty easy. So it took like 10 seconds. Yeah. Stanley, are you gonna make one?
No, I will.
I want to do Dumpling style, but like that one's like pinch it. I don't know how to.
Put it in.
pork.
Or is this pork?
那就让他自己剥他自己的啊。
Alright, once you make this, you're gonna put this in the water like this and then boil it. Just like that. So you keep this in water for like 5 to 10 minutes.
Then you add a little bit cold water when they're boiling.
When it's boiling, you need to add cold water. I don't know why, but that's how you do it.
You're making sure the meat will be well cooked.
Oh, so you need to make sure that the meat is cooked completely. And this is the final product.
Oh my god.
Let's taste it. Ooh, still hot. Stanley. Oh, sorry. How is it?
It's really good. The inside the juices are like almost flowing out.
Oh, yeah.
Even when I eat beef Wellington, I don't make that wrap. Do you ever see Gordon Ramsay make that?
Oh, yeah, he does. Yeah, he does. He just flow food.
Well, guys, that's how you make dumplings.